Hi everyone, it's Paul from Buggy here. I'm excited to be with you today to share with you our latest foldable power chair, Dash Ultralight. Dash is perfect for traveling. It's our lightest model at only 39 pounds. It folds compactly into the size of a suitcase and is extremely easy and portable to use. We designed our Dash Ultralight with portability in mind. The chair folds using a single step sequence, and once folded it's compact and manageable. What's more, it has 4 small wheels that allow the chair to be spun around, pushed, pulled, and moved in any direction you need when folded. If you're going to be riding around in your new Dash Power wheelchair, you might as well be doing it in style. Dash features a slick, black matte finish and seating available in red, blue, and purple. Not to mention large rear wheels made of magnesium alloy, which are light but can still tackle moderate terrains. And it has dual rear shocks and hundreds of perforations in the rear wheels for added comfort on outdoor terrain. Like all our travel buggies, Dash Ultralight has an easy to remove battery which is airline friendly. Something you probably wouldn't expect in a chair weighing less than 40 pounds is an ability to hold up to 265 pounds. Not to mention it's got roomy seating, 18 inches between the armrests, much greater than other similar sized chairs. Additionally, Dash has an extra large storage bag below the seat of the chair, which means you can keep your purse, your wallet, or even your phone for your daily outings. Speaking of phones, it also has a phone charger, which means you can stay connected while out and about all day. Our Dash Ultralight drives like a dream. It features a 360-degree, easy-to-use joystick, which means you can navigate tight corners and narrow hallways like a breeze. If you're looking for a lightweight chair to regain your independence, you've found your perfect match. If you have any questions on our Dash Ultralight model, please call or email us at the number and the email listed here. And as always, safe travels.